Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a chocolate cake. So I have all the ingredients next to me, as you can probably see here. Now you can see, and then the eggs in front of me. There we go. Okay, so we can get started. So first thing we need to do is pour in this. So I've got my trusty knife. I'm going to pour it in. Well, it's not really a trusty knife because you can easily hurt yourself with a knife. Okay. In you go. Okay. In you pop. There we go. Oh, it's stuck in the corner. Oh, it's stuck in the corner. Okay, that should be good. I think that's most of it. So I'm gonna just put that there. Okay, then we need to do eggs. So we've got 3 eggs that we're gonna pop in. We just do a little crack, open, out, open, dump. Crack, open, that was fast, dump, and then crack, open, dump. I'm so good at this. Should be a professional cake maker. Anyway, now I've got my bowl. No, we don't need that actually. We need to pour in, so a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So I've got some here, and I put it in a cup already, so you don't need to watch me do the boring stuff. I've already done them. Okay, there we go. And then you need to add in 3/4 of a cup of water, which is here. I'm gonna add in as well. And then you're just gonna mix for 2 minutes. So we gotta mix. We need to do a song about mixing so the video does not get bored, so don't go and watch another video. Making cake in front of the camera in my nan's kitchen in Australia. We're making a cake. What is that? Just making a cake. Never mind. Who cares about that? Okay, we're nearly done. Actually, we're not, because there's still a little chunks in there which we need to get out. Oh, this is hard work. Okay, so just adding all the stuff into here. No, we're not adding in stuff anymore. We're still mixing. Has it been 2 minutes yet? My arm's already aching. Comment down below what you have done today. Today I did a video, which you will see. It's about, what was it about? Oh yeah, I was showing my holiday slime. That was it. This looks really nice. It looks really nice.
How's it going?
I've dropped the fork. Seriously?
Do you want an apron?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Sure, you'll get another fork so your hands aren't so messy.
Yeah, you might need to turn on the oven as well.
What about a bigger fork?
I'm fine with my fork at the moment.
So what do you want me to do?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Just
with that?
turn on the oven for me.
The oven?
It says
What?
there.
Yeah. Okay. Preheat oven 180.
Yeah.
Fan forced 160. Well, we're fan forced.
Oh my. It looks like it just fell in a mud puddle. Muddy puddle.
Don't forget you got to line your tray.
Yes, I've done that.
Line it. Paper, don't you?
Oh yeah. No, you just put it in like that.
Oh, okay.
I do that anyway.
Okay.
There's still a lot of chunks in. Oh, whoa, there. Mix.
160. That's not very high, is it? 160.
No. Well, in England, we have to put it at 180 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, well this is centigrades here.
Okay.
Preheat oven, 160. It says line the base with baking paper.
Oh, but I do it like that and it works.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, well as long as you put plenty of
I did put
grease on it.
Okay.
Whatever.
Nearly done. My arms
I
are
can
aching.
use a mixer, help you with the mixer if you want.
I'm okay with a fork.
You're okay.
Yes.
Now I'm going to fold all this washing.
Okay. My hands are super messy already. Whew, my hands are good.
And I've got to put my phone on charge.
Oh, my hands on these sweatpants. Oh, this is not going to be good because I'm right-handed, if you didn't know, pretending to. Now I'm doing it with my left.
Oh, we can try a mixer. No? Do you lick the spoon? And the bowl?
No?
Really?
Yeah,
Sure?
sure.
You were little, you did. And I helped.
Yeah, I do, kind of a little bit. Feels like it's too runny. I think it'll do, actually. I suppose it's supposed to
Well,
be...
shall we try the mixer then?
It's fine, Nanny.
Okay.
Okay, I think this is okay. There's still a bit of bumps in it, but that'll do. So I'm going to add it into my tin now. Okay, try and get as much of the spoon. Taster test. Tastes good. Okay. In your pot. In your pot. In goes the cake mix. Oh god, I spilled it. I already spilled it. Okay. In your pot. I need a spoon. Spoon.
Manage?
There you go, yeah. Okay, in your pot. Out goes all the cake mix. Okay. That's a lot of cake mix.
Is it?
In your pot cake mix. Come on, up you get. You need to go now. You need to go get the base. Then eaten. Okay. There we go. Oh, and then I need to switch it. I need to do this bit. In your pot. I've got most of it out. It should be a big cake. And it also rises as well, so. Okay. Messy hands. Okay, so I just put it in the oven now, yeah?
Well, we've got to wait till it reaches that temperature.
Okay. And it was
You need to rinse your hands, yes. When the light goes out, then it's reached that temperature.
There it is. Okay. Whilst we're doing that, we can lick the bowl.
Is that on video too?
Yep, we can lick the bowl on the video. Perfect. I'm gonna make everyone jealous. A bit jealous. Oh look. Just use the camera to get all the stuff off. Okay. Yeet. Spoon. Good. Very good.
Another lick?
Yeah. Put it on the camera.
I use my finger.
I was gonna get that spot. Daddy!
Mmm, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Another kilo we've put on.
Another kilo. Okay, in goes the cake mix.
When the light goes off.
Oh, off. I thought you said
Yeah,
on.
no, when the light goes off.
Okay, we're not putting it in the cake mix at the moment.
It's got to reach that temperature.
So good. I've got it on my face again, haven't I?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I did that. Okay. Oh, I get some thing. Oh. Very nice. Okay. Don't forget. Into my mouth you go. Okay.
And when it goes in the oven, how long is it in there for?
I think it said, oh yeah, in the oven for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I think. I'm not quite sure.
It's not. For a very low oven.
Oh no. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes.
Right.
45 to 50.
And then what we'll have to do is put the timer on
Yes.
once it's in the oven.
Yes. I need to get some more spoon. Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Is it?
Anyway, I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here because it takes so long in the oven, so I'm just gonna end it here and do a part 2 in a minute. So I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.